Our case was handled with, sometimes it's hard for me to put in just such words. There was compassion. It kind of makes me emotional. The integrity of how they treated us, the information that was given to them. We never felt like there was never anything that we said that wasn't important. There was this really, it's almost kind of hard to explain, but it was almost like there was this tenderness that was given to us. They didn't look at us and say, oh yeah. There was every moment we felt like anybody that we were talking to cared about us. It was handled really compassionately. I mean, I think that's the best word that I can use to envelop everything from the moment that we met with Michael to the very end. There was just always this heartfelt gestures and verbiage, and just everything that was done was just done compassionately. Our expectation going into this was a little bit scary. So you kind of you hope that certain things are met. And yet with Michael and Metier Law Group, over and over, we saw those expectations being met and being surpassed. Things that we had never thought of were taken care of before they ever arose, or there was an answer already on the table for us when something arose. So it was handled. Going into it after a personal injury, there's a lot of things that you're thinking about. And, our hope is that someone would listen to us, which from day one, Michael Chaloupka and Metier Law Firm always listened to our concerns, our needs, what we were looking for, and they met those expectations and went way beyond that. We kind of feel like they're family. I'm not big on referring people because sometimes you don't know that they're going to treat somebody else the same way as I've been treated. But with Metier Law Firm, we've never, ever doubted that anybody that's walked through this door hasn't been treated the same way as we have been treated. The integrity of this law firm is about every person. It's not because of who you are or what you are. It's because you're a person. That integrity, that compassion, that understanding is given to everybody equally. And I think for us, that was hugely important to know that they just care about people in general. And that was important when we were sitting there confused and wondering what we needed to do and what was the next step. They were always there. They just treat everybody the same. And I think that's important. I think it talks about the character of everybody that's in this. I mean, this is truly a team. The receptionist to the paralegal to the attorneys, they're a team and they're there for people. And I think that's huge.